Now we are drawing the isometric projection of a cylinder. For drawing any of the direct questions, compulsory we have to draw the two-dimensional structure of any of the object. So coming to the cylinder, I'll be taking the diameter of the cylinder 60 and the height 70. Rather than 60, I'll take 50. That would be a little bit small than that. This is, first I'm drawing the orthographic projection of the cylinder. Then I'll go for diameter. I'm taking here is 50. The radius would be 25. Now I'll draw the projectors from here, from the end generators of the object. This would be the top view, and the height I'm taking over here is 70. For any of the objects that we are going from drawing to orthographic to isometric, compulsory we have to keep the one of the view in the boxes. So that box can coincide with all this three axes, making a box over here in this isometric view. So now I'm keeping this in a box. And I am naming this A, B, C, D box, and I'll consider two of the boxes for the bottom and for the top with the same names, or else we can consider with the 1, 2, 3, 4. So top box would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bottom box would be A, B, C, D. That would be sufficient for this. Now I'll take 30 degrees line for the isometric. I'll draw this line little bit down so I can draw the figure over here. This would be the height axis, and this would be the length axis, and this would be the width axis. So I have to make this box over here. I'll take first B over here, B, A, D, C. So for this, I can take the measurement of this. Measurement of this B to A, B to A mark, B to C, B to C, again a mark. So this is C, this is A, remained with D. Just draw the parallel lines to this. So that you can get the intersection of the two over here. This point would be D. Again, you have to reproduce the same figure over the top at the length of 70 mm. So for the dimensions, for the clarity of the dimensions, I'll draw the dimensions over here. $70, and this is the diameter of $50. So I'll draw the 1, 2, 3, 4 box also at the top for drawing your cylinder. So I'll take the parallel line to the height axis so I can get the 70 from all the A, B, C, D points. $70, $70, $70, and $70. So this would be the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we can close the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using only light lines for drawing this. So coming to this figure, the circle is touching this box at 4 points. This, 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 this. These are the midpoints of this line, right? So we got all the midpoints of that. Now we can create a small rhombus from this. Already it is a rhombus. All sides are equal but the diagonals are different. This diagonal is major and big one, and this is a minor diagonal. So from the rhombus method of ellipse, I'm drawing over here the rhombus method of ellipse. We are creating first a rhombus, major diagonal, then we'll be making half of this sides, and we are drawing lines from opposite corners of the minor axis to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, right? We got the intersection point over here, this one with the focus 1, this one with the focus 2. From here, make this as center, this has a radius, draw an arc. From here to here, measure this and draw an arc. Next, keeping this point over here and measuring this, draw an arc. From here, draw an arc. Next, from here to here, taking this as a radius, arc. Next, from this point, measuring this and drawing an arc. So, similarly, we are reproducing this over here. You can see the same similarities. This is the rhombus, this is the rhombus, the major axis, minor axis, and this is the midpoints. And whenever you turn any of the circle, if you, this is a circle, this is a 90 degrees view of any circle. If you turn this circle little bit like this, can you see a circle? No, it's not a circle. It is an ellipse. But originally it is a circle. But due to the tilting of this, orientation of this, this would look like an ellipse, right? Circle, ellipse, circle, ellipse. So now you are drawing this circle over here like this. So this would become an ellipse in this manner. Now we have to draw the lines from here to here. You got the focus point over here, F1, F2. Similarly over here, F1 and F2. If you want to check that whether the focus points are right or wrong, then you can draw a straight line. That's the major axis from here. This is the major axis, this is the minor axis. This is the major axis, this is the minor axis. Now you can create the same over here. Measuring that, measuring this has the radius. Draw an arc. This would be the same. Draw an arc from here to here. From here to here. So you got full top visible. When you are looking from top, this is the top view. You can see this plate is fully visible. But about this is the back to this one. So you can't see this bottom fully. So that is only seen partially. So I have to draw the line 70 from the extreme left generator, that is the major axis intersection of this arc. This would be the point generator that I am drawing down to this. I am drawing 70 from that 100 to 30 here. 100 to 30 means up to this portion only your arc should be dark. This side, that should be hidden. Up to this portion only should be dark, and from here to here you can draw the hidden lines of the cylinder, because we have an back side of the cylinder also. So this is the projection of your cylinder in isometric projection, and there is no need of mentioning the height or dimensions of this isometric figure, because already aside to that compulsory or drawing and orthographic projections. So no need of mentioning dimensions for this.